welcome to my channel. We are going to study class 9 maths 1 chapter 6 financial planning method 2. Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly income on his children's education, invested 40% in shares, deposited 3% in the bank and used 40% for his daily expenses. He was left with a balance of rupees 19,000. What was his income that month? Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly income on his children's education, invested 14% in shares, deposited 3% in a bank, and used 40% for his daily expenses. He was left with a balance of rupees 19,000. What was his income that month? Answer. Let Nikhil's monthly income be rupees X. Expenditure and investment, first 5% plus 14% plus 3% plus 40% equal to total 62% of monthly income. This X means let left after expenditure and investment means 100 minus 62 equal to 38%. Balance rupees 19,000. So 38% of 38% of X equal to balance 19,000. So 38 upon this 100 into X equal to 19,000. So X equal to 19,000 into opposite 100 upon 38. Then 19,1 0 0 0 19,2, then 2,1 2,5 10 20. So X is equal to 1,000 into 50. So X is equal to 50,000. So Nikhil's monthly income is rupees 50,000. Mr. Shekhar spends 60% of his income. From the balance, he donates rupees 300 to an orphanage. He is then left with rupees 3,200. What is his income? Mr. Shekhar spends 60% of his income. From the balance, he donates rupees 300 to an orphanage. He is then left with rupees 3,200. What is his income? Answer. Let Shekhar's income be rupees X. Expenditure 60%. So remaining income 100 minus 60. So 40% of total income. Then he donates to an orphanage rupees 300 and left income rupees 3,200. Mr. Shekhar income be rupees X. Expenditure 60%. Remaining income 100 minus this 60 equal to 40% of total income means this X. Then he donates to an orphanage rupees 300. Left income is rupees 3,200. So 40% of X minus orphanage 300 and remaining 3,200. So 40 upon 100 into X equal to 3,200 and this minus here plus. So X equal to total 3,500 into opposite 100 upon 40. Here X cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 5 10, 2 1 2 1 2 7 2 5 2 0. So X is equal to 1,750 into 5. So X is equal to 0 5 7 8. So the income of Mr. Shekhar is rupees 8,750 rupees. Again 40% of X minus 300 orphanage. So remaining amount 3,200. So 40 upon 100 into this X equal to 3,200. This minus here plus. So 3,500 into 100 into 40. Multiply divide. So answer X equal to 1,750 into 5. So answer X equal to 8,750. The income of Mr. Shekhar is rupees 8,750 rupees. Mr. Manohar gave 20% part of his income to his elder son and 30% part of his younger son. He gave 10% of the balance as donation to a school. He still had rupees 1,80,000 for himself. What was Mr. Manohar's income? Mr. Manohar gave 20% part of his income to his elder son and 30% part of his younger son. He gave 10% of the balance as donation to a school. He still had rupees 1,80,000 for himself. What was Mr. Manohar's income? Answer. Let Manohar's income be rupees X. Part of income given to children 20 plus 30 means 50% here of this X. So balance income 100 minus this 50 equal 50% of X. So 50 upon 100 into X. 51 means 51 and 52 means X upon 2 this. Then donation given to school 10% of X upon 2 this one. So 10 upon 100 into X upon 2. So 10 1 10 2 10 1 10 0. So X upon 20. 10 1 10 1 10 0 10 10 to 20. So X upon 20. Then he still had rupees 1,80,000 with himself balance. So this X balance X upon 2 minus X upon 20 equal to balance 1,80,000. Cross 20x minus 2x upon 20 to 40 equal to 1,80,000. Subtract 18x equal to 1,80,000 into this 40. So x equal to multiply 7250 upon this 8. So x is equal to 18,400. So 4 lakh. So income of Mr. Manohar is rupees 4 lakh. Again here balance income 100 minus this 50%. So 50. So 50 upon 100 into x, 15 1 15 1 50 0. So x upon 2. Then donation given to school 20%, 10% of x upon 2. So 10% 10 upon 100 into this amount x upon 2. So 10 1 10 10 10 2 20 x upon 20. Then he still had rupees 1,80,000 with himself in balance. So x upon 2 minus x upon 20 equal to balance 1,80,000. Cross 20x cross 2x upon 20 to 40 equal to 1,80,000. So subtract 18x equal to 1,80,000. This 40 multiply 18,472 72 lakh upon this 18. So x equal to 18,400. So x equal to 4 lakh. So income of Mr. Manohar is rupees 4 lakh.